Breaking news bafethu, first starting 11 seMamelodi Sundowns versus iMarumo Gallants. Laphana epalini kuqala-ke i-most trusted yabo uRonwen Williams oyi-captain, u-Abasi uyaqala naye, Cupido ukhona, uKhoza ukhona, Mudiba ukhona, u-Allende, uMudau, Matthews, uSantos, uSalesi, uReynolds. And then-ke laphana ebhentshini sibabonayo bafethu, Onyango, Libusa, uMorena, uBasadena kufana ukhona nkosi yami ebhentshini ubafo. Teboho Mokoena uqala ebhentshini, uMkhulisi ukhona naye ebhentshini, istar sabo esisha laphana sasePortugal uRicinho ukhona ebhentshini, then khona umfana omncane uBennett Mokoena-ke nayo i-strike ukhona laphana ebhentshini, and then bavala nguPeter Shalulile. Siyabona ukuthi i-strong ibhentshi leMamelodi Sundowns, super strong. I mean mesibheka laphana oBasadeni, but yeah, iMarumo Gallants izothwala kanzima ngempela against iMamelodi Sundowns. But sikhumbule ukuthi iMarumo Gallants nayo i-team edlale neMamelodi Sundowns just few days back, yakwazi ukuzitholela i-draw against iMamelodi Sundowns. So i-team lena well equipped ukuthi ingakwazi ukukhompyutha, inama-stars well equipped. But asibhekeni laphana at the back iMamelodi Sundowns njengoba ukuthi izomisa kanjani. Ukhoza I think uyi-superstar laphana, i-superstar defender bafethu. Siyazi ukuthi musha ku-professional game but u-comfortably is giving solid performances laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, even nakuBafana Bafana ukhona-ke manje bafethu ku-final 23 yeBafana Bafana le ezokhompyutha laphana kuma-qualifications we-World Cup. So umdlalo stable laphana at the back. Obviously Mamelodi Sundowns isikhathi esiningi bashawa ngamaphutha wabo, ama-mistake wabo laphana at the back maningi kakhulu, but-ke uzozama umfana laphana omncane ukuthi a-minimize ama-mistake laphana emuva for iMamelodi Sundowns. I think yena noCupido ilo khunjana i-partnership yabo i-strong ngempela, bayakwazi ukucontribute kakhulu for bona bobawu-2 laphana emuva kuMamelodi Sundowns. So there's gonna be solid, and futhi i-working partnership yabo i-strong ngempela. I think laphana-ke ku-left back uMudiba bafethu, siyazi ukuthi u-offensive isikhathi esiningi. uMudiba is easily exposed when it comes to i-marking. I'm not too sure if bazomdinga kakhulu kule game le, or bebadinga umuntu ozozama ukuvala laphana emuva, especially ku-left back, ozokwazi ukuya phambili at the same time akwazi ukuvala uBasadeni-ke but usebhentshini. Because masibheka iMarumo Gallants khona uMsendami, iplayer eli-exciting ngempela eline-speed, khona boSithole abazozama ukuphusha laphana kulelo side lelo lwakwa-left hand side leMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ba-attack-e ulo Mudiba, because bayamazi ukuthi in terms of ukumaka akekho that good. And then i-midfielder-ke sobona u-Allende dominator i-pace laphana kakhulu, and then ukustabilizer i-midfielder yabo khona uBathusi, uye-ke ozo-add-a i-depth ne-balance kahle kahle laphana esiswini ukuthi u-Allende athole lowo free role. And then u-right back khona bafethu ayi-superstar. Yabona makuthiwa umuntu i-star and into yakhe no one can take it away from him, Khuliso Mudau, superstar right back, is comfortable on the ball, uqala ama-counter, une-speed, uyakwazi uku-tracker back, ukumaka, uhlakaniphe kakhulu mfethu. Like khona izinto ongamquestiona ngazo, but hayi yabona-ke le yokuthi uzoba namaphutha akhohlwa, no mistake, 90 minutes no mistake lo mjida lo. Ku-rare ukuthi umbone ne-mistake, and une-speed, is able to track back, uyaya phambili if kwenzakala iphutha beluza ibhola laphana phambili, uyakwazi uku-tracker back, akwazi ukusiza i-team ukuthi i-defend, ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ingabi too exposed. So ukuba khona kwakhe ngempela kubaluleke kakhulu for iMamelodi Sundowns, nanokuthi kufana nokuthi banabantu abawu-2 esayidini elilodwa, because lokhunjani uyaya phambili nge-speed sakhe, uyakwazi uku-tracker back, comfortable on the ball, good pass off the ball, uyakwazi ukushaya lawo ma-assist lawo. Obviously meya laphana phambili akakori kakhulu, ukora nje it's very rare ukuthi akore, but in terms of i-contribution yakhe, u-game model yakhe overall, bafethu strong kakhulu. Matthews siyamazi uyageja kakhulu, but-ke iplayer eli-exciting elikwaziyo ukufinisha, not ukufinisha, akakwazi ukufinisha, ukwazi nje ukuqedelela lawo mabhola lawo obvious. But ukora, but inayi-positive yakhe, iplayer eli-exciting, is able to create ama-opportunities amaningi, nama-assist uyawashaya kuMamelodi Sundowns, iplayer elikwaziyo ukuthatha i-responsibility overall. But i-game model yakhe overall kumele improve in terms of taking those golden opportunities. Uyakwazi ukuzi-create-ela ama-opportunities, azithole kuma-right spaces, kuma-right positions, but akakwazi ukuconvert-a ama-opportunities when it matters the most. But i-player eli-exciting kakhulu offensively for iMamelodi Sundowns makuyiwa phambili, so bayabhenefitha ngayo uMatthews. Conversion rate yakhe mayengayikhuphukisa, ilo i-team bafethu ingalo ingaba super strong, ingashaya amagoli amaningi kakhulu because uMatthews ama-golden opportunities ayahlala kuye amaningi. And then number 10 wabo bafethu uSantos, yeah, noma ngithi uSantos, what a superstar. Star umfowethu, good pass of the ball. Whether ama-short pass, ama-long pass ukhona, uhlakaniphile umfowethu, simazi kahle ukuthi akatatazeli. I mean, it's a joy to watch. Thina si-enjoy ibhola elimnandi eli-right, siya-enjoy ukumbukela umfowethu because siyamazi what he brings to igame yeMamelodi Sundowns overall, i-contribution yakhe laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. So they will benefit greatly ngaye in terms of lama-passes la wakhe a-good, a-solid. So I mean, they are lucky to have a player exciting elifana naye laphana. Because going forward we are contribute. I'm not too sure about obvious tracking back ukusiza i-team ukuthi imakhe, but offensively Bafet is one of the best players. Technically, possibly the best player ku-PSL as a whole in terms of i-technique yakhe. Ngaqala ukumbona laphana beshawa i-golden arrows, ngasho ukuthi this one is the one. Yabona uma kuthiwa iplayer li-good bakhuluma ngomfowethu laphana. Uyafikela ebholeni lase-South Africa, but-ke uma ulazi uyalazi, akekho, no one will take this thing away from you. Uma ulazi ibhola uyalazi naturally, ulazi naturally-ke umfowethu, kuyasho ukuthi utrainwe kahle la abuya khona, udevelopwe kahle, akanawo ama-problems wokutrapha, akanawo ama-problems wokuphasa. I-star umfowethu esikhulu futhi, hhayi i-star esincane, i-star lesi esi-serious. So I think bakhona abadlali like abangafunda from yena kuMamelodi Sundowns or just ku-PSL as a whole, ukuthi phaswa kanjani, nanokuthi u-create-a kanjani ama-opportunities for amanye ama-player. Long passes, short passes, good dribbler of the ball, maningi ama-qualities alaphana ku-Santos. Salesi-ke sesiyamazi obviously-ke is growing in confidence naye, uyakwazi uku-create-a ama-opportunities for iMamelodi Sundowns. Umuntu ngempela bengicabanga ukuthi or iningi lethu besicabanga ukuthi uzo-replace vele uLucas Ribeiro, but isikhathi sisekhona ukuthi am-replace uRibeiro in terms of like uku-create ama-opportunities noku-make sure ukuthi i-Sundowns iba more aggressive going forward. Siyamazi ukuthi uyalazi ibhola naye. He was starting to gain confidence vele ebholeni lase-South Africa. This could be a big, this is a big season for yena umfowethu ukuthi aziprove kakhulu times 2 this time around ukuthi angakwazi ukuthatha well, akumelanga abe uLucas Ribeiro, but-ke angakwazi ukuba i-stand out performer for iMamelodi Sundowns, nanokuthi barelaye kuye laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. So bona ukuthi uzomisa kanjani. Then-ke striking department-ke uReynolds, for mina uReynolds is the best striker ku-PSL as a whole bafowethu. Solid, siyamazi, akadingi introduction, u-strong kakhulu, i-player elibaluleke kakhulu for iMamelodi Sundowns. Could be important for iBafana Bafana futhi if bazomnika ama-opportunities. Sibambelana bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.